guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make a skin brightening and an anti-aging night serum. This serum is gonna help get rid of wrinkles. It's also gonna help get rid of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It's gonna make your skin more elastic and younger looking. And it's gonna even out uneven skin tones. So let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna need an empty container, and this is where I'll mix my ingredients. Then I'm gonna need a plastic spoon, and this is a half teaspoon. Then I'm gonna need some aloe vera gel, and make sure it's organic, is the biological aloe vera gel. We're also gonna need some vitamin E oil, and it should be pure organic vitamin E oil. Then we're gonna need some vitamin C powder. Make sure you get this from the pharmacy shop and make them understand you're gonna use it for cosmetic purposes. Now I'm gonna need a little container where I'll keep my serum. First of all, take a 1/4 teaspoon of the vitamin C powder and put it in the container. It's quite concentrated, so you have to use a little bit at a time till your skin gets used to it. If you use too much, it might irritate your skin. Don't forget, this is a kind of a weak acid. Then take about 5 teaspoonfuls of aloe vera gel. And mind you, I'm using the half teaspoon, so in this video I'm taking 10 half teaspoonful of aloe vera gel. I will now mix everything up. After it's been mixed up a little bit, I'll come in with my vitamin E oil, and I'm going to put in about 6 drops of vitamin E oil. I'll mix everything up again till it forms a nice mixture. So after mixing it for some time, this is the consistency, and I really like it. Our serum is ready to be used. So I'm gonna get my sterilized little container and transfer my serum inside. And as you can see, it's pressed easily on the skin and it absorbs into the skin. It doesn't leave any oil residues on your skin. So this is very good for people with dry skin. You can then cover it up and keep it away for the next day. Use this every night before you go to bed, and you're gonna really see improvement after 7 days. Your skin is gonna be smoother and younger looking. I recommend you use it around your face and your neck area. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching, and give me a thumbs up, share this video. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section for me. I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting video. Bye bye.